Tired of running out of storage on your iPhone and want a super easy way to transfer those photos? Let's dive into how to connect an SD card to your iPhone and get those images moved. First things first, you'll need the right tools. You'll need an SD card reader that's compatible with your iPhone. This means it needs to have either a Lightning connector for older iPhones or a USB-C connector for newer models. You'll also need your SD card, of course. Now, simply insert your SD card into the SD card reader. Next, plug the card reader into your iPhone's charging port, either the Lightning or USB-C port at the bottom. Once connected, your iPhone should recognize the SD card. You'll likely see a notification, or the Files app will open automatically. If it doesn't open the Files app, you should see your SD card listed under Locations. Tap on the SD card in the Files app to view its contents. You should see folders and files representing the images, videos, and other media stored on your SD card. Now, let's copy these photos to your iPhone. To transfer your photos, tap Select in the top right corner. Then tap on the photos you want to transfer. You also have the option to select all. Once you've selected your photos, tap the share icon at the bottom. This will likely be a square with an upwards arrow. Scroll down and find and select Save Image. Your selected photos will now be saved to your iPhone's Photos app. You'll see a progress bar as the photos are being imported. Once the transfer is complete, you can find your SD card photos in your iPhone's Photos app along with your other pictures. Just remember to safely eject your SD card reader when you're finished, and there you have it. A simple way to get those photos onto your phone. Hope this helped.